Hello, my name's Chris Rock, and I'm the Product Engineering Manager here at EMT International. Today I'd like to show you our RSC-H440 Extended Content Label, Booklet Label Inspection Slitter Rewinder. So this machine is a 440 web width, capable of a 17.32 inch web. We'll start at the unwind. So it's got a 750 millimeter, 29.5 inch unwind max roll diameter, standard 3-inch core shaft where we have optional 6-inch core adapters on this machine. Has an integrated roll lift. So you set your roll here and then lift up, slide the roll on all the way to the back plate and then lower. Very nice ergonomic design, makes it easy for the operator to load a roll. On top here we have a splice table with adjustable web clamps. Very important with a thick booklet label that these are adjustable up and down depending on the thickness of your book. We're able to do up to a 5 millimeter thick booklet, which is 180 thousandths of an inch. Just before the splice table, we have an anti-static bar, so we are mitigating static prior to the operator touching the web. Nice adjustable splice table here. We can move it back and forth, different grooves for angles or straight cut. These web clamps are also adjustable without a tool. Just by turning this handle, you can adjust them up and down. You can see the design is optimized with large diameter rollers. So for thick booklet labels, if you were to run them on a standard 3-inch diameter roll, a high probability that you're going to delaminate the label, the booklet label, from the liner. So with these large diameter rollers, which are 200 millimeters, roughly 8 inches in diameter, we prevent that from happening. So following the web, we have a web guide also with large diameter rollers, guiding the web down into our first draw station. The draw station, in which there's 2 on this machine, control the tension through the machine. It's a large diameter plasma coated roller that's coated with a traction coating, but also with a high release to make it clean, easier to clean adhesives off of. One of the unique designs of the machine is our nip roll system. We have multiple individual nip wheels on the machine that are easily adjustable on this rod. Toolless, just turn the handle. You can adjust them on the label where you would like them to run. And then we have individual wheels of different durometers, soft, harder, depending on the type of booklet you have. Once we're through the draw station, we're going down into the BST tube scan. This one's specifically designed with the booklet roller that's adjustable up and down. We can adjust that roller up and down to accommodate for different booklet thicknesses. So we're keeping the web the same distance to the camera. Out of the camera, we have our buffer, several rollers up and down. And these rollers allow us to run inspection at high speed, but yet able to place a fault on the second splice table. Once we detect a defect, the fault will be placed here on the second splice table for editing and replacement. This splice table is also equipped with adjustable web clamps. We also have an optional strobe light here for manual viewing of the web at high speed. And then it's also a web guide. So we're web guiding into our razor slitting unit. This one's, you can see we have a LED light, clearly lights up the slitting unit. Very easily adjustable razor holders on an integrated ruler, and then easy up-down razor knife engagement and side adjust. At the exit of the machine, we also have our second draw station, servo-driven, fully adjustable nip wheels, adjustable side to side and up and down. And then a very ergonomic 550 millimeter, 21.6 inch max OD rewind, 3-inch core holder with a 6-inch adapter. You can see we have foot pedals. This will jog the machine. It'll also inflate and deflate the core holder. BST monitors, one's an HMI. And then here we have the EMT HMI. You can see the full machine with different operator adjustments, label count, batch count, and speed pot. So very unique machine for booklet label inspection. One of the nice features of this machine is the open architecture. Every point on the machine is easily accessible to an operator. There's no outboard frames. Every roller is easily webbed, top to bottom. So it's a very ergonomic design. Another nice feature of the vertical buffer is the ability to see the back of the web. In this case, we don't have backside printing, but if you did, you would be able to see that backside printing here. Here we're at the back of the machine, and with the covers off, this is a place where you can see the heavy-duty construction of our machine. You look at the base, all heavy-duty steel weldment, really heavy-duty machine, built for 24/7 production. This is a 4 servo machine, servo motor machine. We have a servo motor for the unwind. We have those 2 draw stations on the machine, both servo driven. You can see all the pneumatics and all the electrical in wireways. Nice clean installation. You can see our BST camera system. Draw station, servo motor, and rewind station servo motor. Yeah, so let's start it up. Right now we're at 20 meters a minute. We'll crank it up. If you're running extended content labels, booklet labels, and struggling today, this machine is designed to run those at high speed, 820 feet a minute, optionally up to 1,050 feet per minute. We'd love to talk to you.